All right, in this one we're going to go to the Autoscan Image file. So we'll go ahead and find it. This one is going to be a script that's going to just work directly in PyCharm. So right here you'll see you have the input directory, the output directory, the JPEG quality, the gray levels. These are going to deal with the quality of the exports or the output. Right now we'll find our input directory. And for my input directory, and the reason I'm using this is because I have a folder of color facsimiles that I want to turn black and white. So I'll go ahead and copy that file directory, add that. And since I don't have an output directory, I'm going to go ahead and create a folder where the output will go. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and run the program. And you'll see the progression bar. And it'll let you know the process is finished. So when I go in here and I look at the output, these are now grayscale.